Welcome back to Zoonitoons, the creative corner where heroes and villains come to life with every stroke of your pencil and every splash of color. Today's adventure takes us into the world of Marvel, where we'll draw two of the most exciting characters, the dark and powerful Venom, and the brave and friendly neighborhood hero, Spider-Man. These two are complete opposites. Venom, the fearsome symbiote with his monstrous strength and wild energy, and Spider-Man, the agile superhero who swings through the city keeping everyone safe. So, grab your markers and sketchbooks, because it's time to bring both the shadow and the light of this thrilling duo to life on our page. I start by sketching Venom's powerful body, giving him broad shoulders and thick, muscular arms that show his terrifying strength and unstoppable energy. Next, I add his long, curling tongue twisting out of his mouth, giving him a wild and scary look that captures his dangerous personality perfectly. I finish the drawing by adding flowing lines of the symbiote wrapping around his body, making him look like he's moving, growling, and ready to strike at any moment. I begin coloring Venom with a deep, rich black all over his body, blending smooth shades to give his muscles a strong, three-dimensional look full of dark power. Next, I fill his tongue with a bright red and add a hint of purple to make it look slimy and alive, just like in the comics. Finally, I add touches of red symbiote energy swirling around him to give a feeling of motion and chaos, making the whole scene explode with action. I finished by adding the fun background details, cute Halloween pumpkins, spooky bats, and web lines that make Spider-Man look like he's ready for a festive night of action. I fill in the web patterns with black, tracing every detail slowly so that his suit looks textured and alive just like in the animated shows. I color the bats in deep black and the web lines in soft gray, completing a spooky yet exciting background for our friendly superhero. Coloring Spider-Man's suit with his famous bright red and bold blue tones, carefully staying inside the lines to make his costume shine like it's ready for adventure. I color the pumpkins in bright, glowing orange with black faces, adding little green stems and giving them a Halloween sparkle that makes the scene extra fun. And there we have it, Venom and Spider-Man. The perfect mix of power and heroism, drawn and colored in full Zoonitoons style. Venom looks dark, wild, and powerful, ready to roar, while Spider-Man shines bright and brave, spreading his web to keep everyone safe. This was such a fun and action-packed drawing adventure, full of bold lines, cool colors, and amazing energy from both characters. Thank you for joining us today on Zoonitoons. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative stories, colorful heroes, and exciting adventures every week.